in this session also we will be discussing about substitution method, that is exercise 7.2. There are many problems are there, but I am not going to solve all the problems. I will explain you which substitution you have to give. You can see here I have written the question. Based on that you have to solve the problems, and few problems I will explain. Okay. See here we will start with the first one. X into root of x plus 2. The question will be integrate x into root of x plus 2. What you have to do? First take the integration symbol, then write dx. Okay. Now this substitution you have to give. X into root of x plus 2 is there. So if you give the substitution as for this one, see x plus 2 is equal to t. Fine. Next what you have to do? You have to differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of, you have to differentiate with respect to t. So derivative of x will be dx and derivative of 2 will be 0 is equal to dt. So we got the substitution. Next what you have to do? See here we had given the substitution of x plus 2 is equal to t. So now this will be root t. Right? Now what about this value x? And another thing, dx is equal to dt. Right? I can write dx as dt. Now what about this x? Can we integrate now? Everything should be in the t form, right? Because we are integrating with respect to t. So that should be in the t form. So for x what we can write? We have solved similar problem. X plus 2 is equal to t. So the value of x will be equal to t minus 2. Is it clear? So here the value of x will be equal to, complete this, okay? T minus 2. Then what you have to do? Multiply t into root t minus 2 into root t dt, then separate that, then you have to integrate. I hope you understood this problem. Okay, this is a one. Second one, okay, x into root of 1 plus 2x square. This is also similar to this one, right? Here which substitution you have to give? Obviously 1 plus 2x square is equal to t, right? Substitute this one. 1 plus 2x square is equal to t. Okay, then differentiate. This will be now derivative of 1 will be 0. So this is 2. Derivative of x square will be 2x into dx is equal to dt. By this what we can write? 4x into dx is equal to dt. Right? 4x into dx. We have the value of, here dx will be there. So we can substitute, what we can substitute? X into dx, right? X into dx will be equal to dt by 4, and this will be root t. So clear? By using this you can integrate the function. Next one, third one. See here, for this substitution we have, can we give for 4x plus 2? Not possible. Now if you give for this one, it will be only 4 into 1. Will not get this one. But if you give the substitution for this one, see here, if I give the substitution as x square plus, we have to write step by step, okay? You can expect sometimes this type of questions for 3 marks also. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. After that, derivative of x square will be 2x, right, into dx by dt, then plus derivative of x with respect to t will be dx by dt is equal to derivative of 1 will be 0. So by this I can take dx by dt common, right? If I take dx by dt common, what is remaining? 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? By this what we can write? We need the value of 4x plus 2. Here you can see this one, 4x plus 2 can be written as 2, you can take count. If you take 2 out, what is remaining here? 2x plus 1. We got 2x plus 1, right? So what we can write? 2x plus 1 into dx will be there, right? 2x plus 1 into dx. I can write 2x, 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to, what is the derivative of t? Constant 1, right? Derivative of t with respect to t will be equal to 1. So 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Now that will be reduced to, see, integration of 2 is constant as it is 2x plus 1 into dx. 2x plus 1 into dx will be equal to dt into this will be root t. Now you can integrate. Finally, don't forget write plus c constant. Okay, complete this also. It is here. Now fourth one. See this one, x minus root x. So what substitution we can give? If you give the substitution for root x, you will get 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So this is also not possible, right? But if you give the substitution for x, again that is also not possible. So what you can do is write 1. See here, x minus root x is there. Here I will take root x common. Okay, root x is common. So what is remaining here? X can be written as root x into root x. So remaining with root x minus 1 into dx. So this will be the integration. Right? Now what is now substitution give for root x minus 1? Okay. Now substitute, let root x minus 1 is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. So this will be 1 divided by derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x directly I'll write into dx is equal to dt, right? But here we have the value of 1 by root x into dx. So 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 into dt, right? 2 into dt. Now we can give the substitution for this. This implies integration of 1 by root x into dx will be equal to 2 is constant. I write here 2 into dt. Divide, this is 1 divided by, we have done with 1 by root x into dx, right? What is remaining? Root x minus 1, we had given the substitution as t. So you know the integration of 1 by t. Then finally you have to write plus c. Along with that you have to substitute the value of t. Okay, the value of what substitution is there here? Root x minus 1. So you need to write that substitution. Okay, remember this here. Next one, fifth one. See this one, simple it is. X by root of x plus 4. Directly we can give the substitution for x plus 4 is equal to t. Don't give root of x plus 4, okay. If you give the root of x plus 4 is equal to t, then it's of the form root x. Again you need to write 1 by 2 root of x form, right? So again here that is not good. So you give the substitution for x plus 4 is equal to t, okay. X plus 4 is equal to t. Then differentiate, this will be dx is equal to dt. Substitute here, integration of the value of x, again similar to the first problem. See here, the value of x plus 4 is equal to t. As I mentioned, everything should be in a t form. So the value of x can be written as x is equal to t minus 4. Okay, substitute here, integration of this will be t minus 4 divided by root of x plus 4 will be t, right? We had given the substitution x plus 4 is equal to t minus 4 divided by root of root t into dx. So we can say t divided by root t into dx minus integration of 4 divided by root t into, this should be not dx is equal to dt, dx will be equal to dt, right? So this is dt and this is also dt. Now t by root t, you will get root t. So it's of the form t to the power 1 by 2, add 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 4 by t to the power minus 1 by 2. So add 1 and divided by c and write plus c. Similar, and one more thing, substitute the value of t is equal to x plus 4. I hope you are understanding these problems. Okay, I will see this one. And write the integration x cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 into dx. Here substitution, see this is x cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 is there. So if you do the substitution for this one, it will be easy, right? So what substitution you have to give? Let, I'll solve this problem, x cube minus 1 is equal to t. Okay, complete everything, and if you have any doubt please contact me. Okay, x cube minus 1 is equal to t. Derivative of x cube 3x square into dx is equal to dt. Here you can see x to the power 5 into dx is this. So we can write x square into dx is equal to dt by 3. Similar problem we have solved. So that is now integration of, see there, x cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. I'll write x to the power 5 as x square into x cube, right? So we can split that one, x square into x cube into dx. Now this is equal to integration of x cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 is t to the power 1 by 3, and here x square into dx is equal to dt divided by 3 into x cube is there. What is the value of x cube? See here, everything should be in a t form. So x cube can be written as, see this, x cube is equal to t plus 1, right? X cube is equal to t plus 1. So substitute here, x cube is now t plus 1 into, the value of dx, t to the power, here dt is there, right? So this is equal to 1 by 3 is constant. So take out t to the power 1 by 3 into t plus 1 into dt. Now you can split this one, 1 by 3 is constant as it is. Now multiply t to the power 1 by 3 into t plus t to the power 1 by 3 into 1 dt. Then simplify, finally you write plus c and substitute the value of t. Okay. This problem, x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole to the power 3. Obviously substitution will be this one, right? You have to take substitution. 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t. Now derivative of 2 will be 0. 3 into x cube, 3x square. So 3 into 3 will be 9x square into dx is equal to dt. Now we got the values, right? So we have x square into dx is equal to dt by 9. Substitute this as dt by 9 divided by t to the power 3. Then you have to simplify. Okay. See here for this one, can you give the substitution as x or 1 by x? If you give the substitution x or 1 by x, will not get log x. But if you give the substitution for log x, you will get derivative of log x will be 1 by x, right? So give the substitution as log x is equal to t. So this will be 1 by x into dx will be equal to d into t. So 1 by x into, here dx will be there, right? 1 by x into dx is equal to dt divided by, into 1 by log x will be equal to t. Similar problem we have solved. Here, give the substitution for 9 minus 4x square. You need to understand, okay, which substitution you have to give. So what you can do, 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. Derivative of 9 will be 0 minus 4 into derivative of x square, 2x into dx is equal to d into t. Now this is minus 8x into dx is equal to dt, right? So give the substitution, integration of, see here, x into dx is equal to dt. So here x will be there into dx. So I can give x into dx is equal to minus dt divided by 8 into 1 by 9 minus 4x square will be t. So this is now integration of minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 into 1 by t into dt. You know the integration of 1 by t will be log of mod t plus c. Then substitute the value of t as 9 minus 4x square. Okay. And next problem, see this is an important one. E to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1 into dx. Now, see if you give the substitution for e to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to t, then we will not get e to the power 2x minus 1, right? See, give the substitution, e to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Now if you differentiate, this will be e to the power 2x into 2 is into dx is equal to dt. But this is not there here, right? So direct substitution is not possible. So what you have to do is, you have to divide it by e to the power x. Remember this, divide by e to the power x. Okay? If you divide by e to the power x, this will be e to the power 2x minus 1, listen carefully, divided by e to the power x whole divided by e to the power 2x plus 1 divided by e to the power x into dx. Now integration of, see here, divide e to the power 2x divided by e to the power x, e to the power 2x minus x, right? So it will be e to the power x minus, here 1 by e to the power x, 1 by e to the power x can be written as e to the power minus x, right? E to the power 2x divided by e to the power x minus 1 divided by e to the power x. When it goes up, it will be e to the power minus x divided again e to the power 2x divided by e to the power x will be equal to e to the power x plus 1 divided by e to the power x. When it goes up, it will be e to the power minus x into dx. Now it is in the simplified form. Now we can give the substitution. Give the substitution for the denominator. Usually we will give the substitution for denominator. So give the substitution. Okay. Let, see here, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Now differentiate. E to the power x will be e to the power x, right? If you want, you can write dx by dt plus, okay, or else directly we can write into dx is equal to dt. That is also possible. Okay, here we will do directly e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Derivative will be e to the power minus x and derivative of minus x will be minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Okay, so again we can write this as e to the power x minus e to the power minus x into dx is equal to dt. So we got the numerator, right? So just substitute. So this is now integration of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x into dx is equal to dt divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. We have given the substitution as t. So integration of 1 by t will be log mod t plus c. Finally substitute the value. Log of mod t is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. This should be the final answer. Okay. Look at the next problems. I hope you are understanding these problems. Okay. See here, e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x. Here can we give the direct substitution? See, if we give the direct substitution here, let me consider here, e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x is equal to t, right? Differentiate. So this will be e to the power 2x. After the differentiation, this will be multiplied by 2. Remember, in the differentiation, we need to multiply. In the integration, we need to divide by 2. And this is e to the power derivative of e to the power minus 2x minus 2x, and derivative of minus 2x will be equal to minus 2, right? Into dx is equal to dt. We got this. See here, e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x. If you take 2 common, 2 is common, so e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So directly you can substitute this one, right? So e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x will be equal to dt by 2, and this will be equal to t. So here direct substitution is possible. Okay, directly you can substitute and you can simplify that. Okay, complete this one. Next one, tan square of 2x minus 3. See, here we don't know the formula for tan square x. Integration of tan square x is we don't know, right? So whenever tan square comes, you have to convert the tan function into sec so that you can integrate directly. Is it clear? So tan square x, by using a fundamental relation, we can write tan square x as secant square x minus 1. Right? So we'll apply that formula. Remember, whenever tan square comes, you need to convert tan into secant function. So this will be now integration of, is it clear? Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. In the place of x we have 2x minus 1, secant square of 2x minus 1 minus 1 into dx. Okay. Here I can split this one. Integration of secant square of 2x minus 1 into dx minus integration of dx. Here it is not compulsory that you need to go with the this substitution method only. Okay, they will not mention any methods. They just ask integrate this. That's it. So here directly we can integrate this function, right? If you want to go with the substitution method, you can give the substitution as 2x minus 1 is equal to t, or else directly we can substitute integration of secant square x will be equal to tan x, right? So integration of secant square of 2x minus 1 will be equal to tan of, listen carefully, in the place of x we have 2x minus 1, tan of 2x minus 1. Again here 2 is multiplied with x. This is a variable and this is a constant. Whenever this is multiplied, in the differentiation we need to multiply them. So here we need to divide by 2. Is it clear? If you go with the substitution method also, it will get same. Tan of 2x minus 1 divided by 2 minus integration of dx will be x plus constant c. Is clear? I'll repeat once again. See, tan can be written as secant square x minus 1. We know the integration of secant square x will be equal to tan x. In the place of x we have 2x minus 1. So we can write tan of 2x minus 1. Again this x is multiplied with the variable. Variable is multiplied with the constant value 2. In the integration we need to divide by 2 minus integration of dx will be x plus c. Clear? Now see this one. This substitution we can give sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x. Obviously sin inverse x, right? Because we know that derivative of sin inverse x will be equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x. So give the substitution as sin inverse x into x is equal to t. So derivative will be 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. So directly we will get, so 1 by root of 1 minus x square, this will be equal to dt and this will be equal to t. So integration of t into dt. Okay. Next problem. See the next problem. Which substitution we can give? Next one. See here. This can be written as, say, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Here divided by 2 is common. We'll take out. So if we take 2 common, remaining with 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, okay, into dx. So directly you give the substitution for 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. Okay. Give substitution for denominator, that is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. Differentiate so that you get the numerator. Okay. Substitute this numerator as dt. Anyway divided by 2 is there. Then simplify and integrate. Okay. Then substitute the value of t. Complete that. We'll see this problem. I hope you are getting these problems. Okay. 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. So what you can write? 1 by cos square x is given. 1 by cos will be equal to secant, right? So we can write this as 1 by cos can be written as secant square x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square into dx. Is it clear? Just I have written 1 by cos square can be written as secant square. Now just give the substitution for this one, because you know that derivative of tan x will be equal to secant square x. That's why I told you should be good in differentiation as well as integration. All the formulas you should remember. Okay? Derivative of tan x will be equal to secant square x. We'll give the substitution. Let 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Differentiate. We are not integrating here. See, remember, for the integration we are using the differentiation. So differentiate. Derivative of 1 will be 0 minus as it is. Derivative of tan x will be secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute each and everything. Integration of secant square x into dx is equal to, I can write minus dt. So this is minus dt divided by 1 minus tan x will be equal to, we have taken t square. Now we can simplify. This will be now t to the power minus, right, t to the power minus 2 into dt. Now we can integrate and finally substitute the value of t, right, plus c. Complete all the problems. Problem, cos of root x divided by root x. This substitution you have to give. Simple it is. You give the substitution for root x is equal to t. So that what will get 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. See the next problem. Cos of root x divided by root x. Here substitution will be simple. Root x is equal to t. So that differentiation 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So we have the value of 1 by root x into dx will be equal to dt by 2, and this is the cos t. And directly we can integrate. See here, for this use the substitution. See here, root of sin 2x into cos 2x is under root sin x. So give the substitution for sin 2x. Okay, give the substitution. Sin 2x is equal to t. Now differentiate. Derivative of sin 2x will be cos 2x, and into 2 you are differentiating into 2 into dx is equal to dt. So we have the value of cos 2x into dx, right? So cos 2x into dx is equal to dt by 2. So that what will get? Integration of root of sin 2x is t, cos 2x into dx will be equal to dt by 2. Now we can integrate this. Okay. So the next one, cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin x. Give the substitution for 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Okay, and differentiate, so that we will get cos x into dx is equal to dt. Here cot x into log sin x. Obviously you have to give the substitution for log sin x. Okay, if you give the substitution for this one you will not get this, but if you give the substitution for log sin x you will get cot x. We will see that log of sin for this one. Okay, log sin x is equal to t. Now derivative of log x 1 by sin x, right, and derivative of sin x will be cos x into dx is equal to dt. We know cos by sin will be equal to cot x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute everything and simplify. See this one, 1 minus tan x. Similar problem we have solved in the previous session, and one more problem is there, 1 by 1 plus cot x. That is similar to this one, we have to complete that. Okay. See here, this is similar one we have solved in the previous session. 1 minus, directly we cannot integrate, and directly we cannot give the substitution also, right? If you give the substitution for 1 minus tan x, here secant square is not there, right? So direct substitution is not possible. So you need to simplify. 1 minus tan can be written as sin x divided by cos x, right? Take the LCM. If you take the LCM, here cos x will be there. So when it goes up, this is cos x divided by cos x minus sin x. In the previous session, what we did here? Cos x divided by cos x minus sin x. We added cos x and we subtracted sin x, added and subtracted sin x, right? So cos x minus sin x plus sin x, right? We did this one. Cos x minus sin x plus sin x. Again cos x, one more I'll add cos x. So that cos x plus cos x will be 2 cos x. We need to divide by 2. So this is 1 by, right? Similar one we have solved. So now we can split this. 1 by 2 into, complete this, okay? Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x will be equal to integration of 1 into dx. And that is plus integration of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, right, into d. Here what you have to do? You have to give the substitution for denominator, that is cos x minus sin x is equal to t. Substitution you have to give, then you have to simplify. Similar problem is there in the example, okay? Last problems of this session, okay, so that this exercise 7.2 will be complete. First we will see this one. See, here I write root of tan x divided by sin x into cos x. If I give the substitution for tan x is equal to t, okay, let us consider if we give the substitution for tan x is equal to t, we will get secant square x, right? But here secant function is not there, so direct substitution is not possible. Here also we need to simplify and remember this. So what we will do is root of tan x as it is divided by sin x into cos x and multiply and divide by cos x, okay, multiply and divide by cos x and this is cos x into dx. Now this is equal to integration of root tan x as it is, okay, and here cos x divided by sin x, cos by sin will be equal to cot x, right, root tan x, here root of tan x as it is, cos by sin will be equal to cos into cos x will be equal to cos square x, right, cos square x into dx. Okay, direct substitution is not possible, so we need to multiply and divide by cos x. Now we will simplify this. Integration of, see here, root of tan x and this is cot x. Cot x can be written as 1 by tan x, right? Root of tan x into cot x is 1 by tan x. So that 1 tan and tan will get cancelled, remaining with root of tan x, right? 1 divided by root of tan x. Is clear? 1 divided by root of tan x into here 1 by cos square. This both are done, right? 1 by cos square x can be done as secant square x into dx. Now it is in the form, right? Now we can give the substitution as tan x, right? If we give the substitution as tan x is equal to t, let tan x is equal to t. So derivative of tan x will be secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute. Integration of secant square x into dx is dt divided by root t into dt. We can integrate and simplify. I hope you understood this one. What you have to do? Direct substitution is not possible, so we need to multiply and divide it by cos it, so that we will get the secant square x. Then substitution is possible. Okay, we will see the next one. See this, x plus log x whole square divided by x. We will get the substitution for this one. Okay, let x plus log x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Okay, derivative of x will be dx by dt. So I can write 1 or will write dx by dt. Plus log x is 1 by x into derivative of x will be dx by dt is equal to 1. Now we can take dx by dt common, right? If we take dx by dt common, what is remaining? 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 1, right? So this is now dx into 1 plus 1 by 10. We'll take the LCM here. X plus 1 divided by x is there, or you can divide here also. X and x will get cancelled, 1 plus 1 by x, or we will take the LCM. If I take the LCM, x, so this will be x plus 1 is equal to dt, right? See, I had given the substitution for x plus log x is equal to t. Differentiate or directly you can write derivative of x will be 1 plus 1 by x, okay? Direct also possible, okay? This is not necessary actually. You can write 1 plus 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Take the LCM, x plus 1 into divided by x into dx is equal to dt. So this substitution can be written as the integration of here x plus 1 divided by x into dx will be equal to dt into, we had given the substitution x plus log x as t. So this will be equal to t square. Now we got the integration of t square into dt will be equal to t cube divided by 3 plus c. Finally substitute the value of t as x plus log x. Okay, complete this last problem of this session. Okay, here either you can go with first give the substitution for x to the power 4, then you can give the substitution for also tan inverse of x to the power 4. That is also possible. Or directly we can go with the substitution tan inverse of x to the power 4. Okay, let me consider this. Let tan inverse of x to the power 4 is equal to t. Now we need to differentiate with respect to t, right? And derivative of tan inverse x will be 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x we have here x to the power 4. So derivative will be now 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x we have x to the power 4 whole square. We have done with this tan inverse. Now we need to differentiate x to the power 4. Derivative of x to the power 4 will be 4x cube into dx is equal to dt. Here we have here x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 into dx. So what we can write this as 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into x cube into dx is equal to dt divided by 4. Right? We will substitute here. So that is equal to integration of x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx will be dt by 4. I'll add the constant here 1 by 4 into dt. Here what is remaining? Sine of tan inverse of x to the power 4. Substitution is t. Right? So this is equal to 1 by 4. Integration of sine t will be minus cos t. So this is now minus cos t plus c. That is nothing but I can write minus 1 by 4 cos of the value of t is equal to tan inverse of x to the power 4. So tan inverse of x to the power 4 plus c. Okay, complete all the problems. Okay, and practice